Claudio. I run the product and solutions team at CenturyLink for EMEA. About 10-15 years ago, I noticed IT organizations were starting data center consolidation, and all of a sudden we had a WAN in the middle of end users and service providers, and that WAN was all of a sudden responsible for end user performance. Now that's still true today. There are still pressures on the WAN to maintain productivity for end users, but now with the cloud, that increase in agility from the services side has dropped that agility bottleneck right into the network. And now IT leaders are under pressure to maintain both performance and a high level of agility. The network has to respond to that. There are three key things that I see IT leaders need to implement on their network to cloud enable it and make it agile. The first thing is to deal with the enormous levels of internet that are coming in through the WAN. So the best way to deal with that is to consider a hybrid WAN. So we get the right price performance balance between the scale of the internet and the quality of service of MPLS. The next thing I would do is software defined. So how do we give that network more real-time visibility and control? Identify those applications, classify them, route them, prioritize them. SD-WANs make hybrid WANs work better. The next thing I do is if you're bringing that much internet into your WAN environment, your security needs to go next generation. So no longer is it an option to just bolt security onto the side, but security has to be woven in as part of that solution and designed in conjunction with the other pillars. So hybrid, software defined, and next generation security are the key things I would consider. At CenturyLink, we brought the cloud and the network together through cloud connectivity solutions, and we've made them dynamic. So as customers want to move applications from their data center to a cloud or to another cloud environment, we have a network that's adaptive. That means if a customer wants to have that agility to move an application to a different venue, we have the dynamic network that can adapt to it and create dynamic connections and flex bandwidth and facilitate that change in the cloud environment. So we really want to take the friction out of the customer's cloud journey. IT organizations need strong partnership from their service providers. It's a transformation project, so it's complex. It's very easy to get led by technology during times of disruption, but we really need to focus on the true needs of the business. So what IT organizations need from service providers is that rich consultative approach, partnership, and a solution that's right, addresses their needs, but can go on that cloud journey with them.